Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
प्रतिमा जी के आम आदमी पार्टी में शामिल होने से आम आदमी पार्टी को गोवा स्तर पे और राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे बेहद मजबूती मिलेगी। हमारे कैंपेन्स चलेंगे, उन सब में एक बहुत बड़ा रोल, एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा, एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी आने वाले समय में प्रतिमा जी निभाएंगी।
Today it's been an auspicious day for me for joining this Aam Aadmi Party. That's up. Because this party has got its own ideology and beliefs, and it makes me believe that there's only hope in for future now in Goa. In Goa, we have tried all the different political parties, and every political party have worked for the benefit of themselves and not for the common men. But I believe under the leadership of our Kejriwal ji, is committed to work for the downtrodden, for the Aam Aadmi, and that has motivated me and inspired me big time. And that is the reason I am here. Now they have just appointed a temporary Mahila Adhyaksha, temporary, because I resigned and it's a big news in Goa. But whom they have again chosen, it's a shame, that's what I'm trying to tell. Again they have chosen a 63-year-old woman who is an ex-wife of the Lok Sabha Parliament MP, or the or I can say the ex-president of GPCC. An old lady again, legacy. You all don't get, there are so many youngsters. So this is what, I'm happy that I'm in a party where Arvind Kejriwal is heading. They are trying to promote the youth, the hard-working team, the young team, the clean, non-corrupt,